Hello and welcome to PBN Limited. My name is Nia and today I'm going to show you how to access the database and file manager for each domain that you add to PBN Limited. Before we get started, don't forget to leave us a review on Trustpilot and to check out the other services that we offer. You'll find the links to everything at the top of your PBN Limited dashboard, as you can see here, and I'll also leave them in the description below for you. This is another tutorial that's been highly requested. We did have a database and file manager tutorial already, but our dashboard has been improved and added to so much that it is absolutely time for an updated one. And that's exactly what we're going to cover today. Now, for me, PBN Limited and navigating my way around the dashboard, it's just second nature at this point. I could probably give you a rundown of the dashboard better than I could my own home at this point. But I do remember when I first started at PBN Limited and just how frustrating in general using an unfamiliar dashboard can be, no matter how simple we try and make it for you. I had no idea where anything was, how to access things, and I wasted a lot of time hunting around for the tab or the section I actually needed. And yes, I thought I was too intelligent for the knowledge base. Looking back, that probably would have saved me a lot of time, but you live and learn. Anyway, enough about me. Let's jump straight in to this tutorial about how to access the database and the file manager for your domains. First of all, when you log in to your account, this is the first thing that you will see here. As you can see on screen now, this is the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your domains. Important notices we may add, as you can see here, and much more, which we will be covering in a future video. Although I was actually curious about what you would prefer to see, whether that's smaller videos explaining each section or a full dashboard overview video, which could be maybe an hour long, which goes through absolutely everything, or maybe even both. I would love to know what it is that you prefer and your thoughts. So, how do we access the database and how do we access the file manager? We access both of these tools in the same manner. So, firstly, you need to click on the name of the site you want to access the database or the file manager for. Make sure you click the site name here and not the URL itself, which is this one. Otherwise, if you click this one, you'll be taken directly to the website instead of the main overview section for the domain. So we click here like so. And now we are on the main overview screen for this domain. You can see in the left-hand menu here, there's a lot of tabs and a lot of options. But what we want is the site functions tab, which is this one here. And we can expand this by clicking on it. Most of what you need actually to manage your domain is in the site functions section. Okay, now you can see we have both options here. We have PHPMyAdmin, which is the database, and we have the file manager, which you guessed it, is the file manager. PHPMyAdmin is completely footprint free, by the way. It runs completely outside of the main server, so there's absolutely no footprints when using PHPMyAdmin through PBN Limited at all. Absolutely no footprints whatsoever. So it's super simple, it's super quick. That is how you access PHPMyAdmin. Now we have the file manager. Again, if you literally just click File Manager or PHPMyAdmin, they will both load. Here are all the files associated with this website now, or whatever website you're accessing the file manager for. You can remove, edit, upload, and unzip files as needed. A really great feature that's usually associated more with money site hosting than PBN hosting, but we have it because we are the best, of course. We consider these two features to be essential for anyone who wants to easily and properly manage their domains all from one dashboard. If WordPress has a little problem when you're installing a new plugin, for example, or you open up the site to find there's a plugin conflict, you can grab the error message and completely fix and manage things like this without the need to put in a support ticket. Just a quick note, if you are using static HTML for any of your domains instead of WordPress, they will not have a database, meaning they will not have this option here, PHPMyAdmin. That is not something specific to our hosting. It's just how static HTML works. Static HTML websites don't use databases like WordPress sites do. Everything is sorted directly inside the site files themselves, i.e. through the file manager. Everything is stored in here. So there's no database section because there isn't actually a database being used. And there you have it, a full rundown of how to access your database and file manager through PBN Limited. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if there's anything else you would like a tutorial on, feel free to drop your suggestion in the comments or to message us directly through one of our support channels. We read every suggestion, and the most requested tutorials will get made next, so be sure to let us know exactly what it is that you would like to see. Thank you, as always, for joining me today, and hopefully I will see you back here for the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.